Football is played on the pitch, and whoever prepares himself better enough will be victorious. Lango are victorious. That is it. The Rhino has been victorious over the Termites. Last year they were in the final and they lost it. This year they are in the final. They almost failed to be here. And look at the celebration. Look at Bob celebrating. Lango have come here. Lango have dominated here. And Lango have finally beaten Busoga. They are the champions of the fufa drum. They came, they played, they have conquered. And they will be jubilant. They will be celebrating tonight. From a patch to a par. From a par to Lango. From Lango to the entire part of Aduku. This is the true meaning of victory. Busoga Province believed in themselves that this was theirs for the taking. Lango were very much quiet, and they have actually shown why they were quiet. They have finally been the victorious one tonight. For a province that almost failed to play in the final, for a province where the fans told the players not to play, for a province where politicians told the province not to play, for a province where the players said no to the politicians, said no to the fans, and said we shall be there, we will go there. They are here and they have won it. They have won it for Medi. They have won it for Cabo. They have won it for the Uganda players who were not here. Jubilation for Lango. Sadness for Busoga. The night will be very much long for the Lango province, but the night will be very short indeed for Busoga province. They will be packing their bags and travel the long distance back to Busoga, crossing the Nile. Darius Ojok, together with Emmanuel Obua, their goals are the reason as why Lango province can celebrate their very, very first fufa drum competition victory. They have only lost one game in the entire competition, and that was against West Nile. In order to be a champion, you have to beat the champions. Darius Ojok, Alan Okello, Achai Habat have actually been very much dominant tonight. What a day in the office. What a match for Lango. The fans cannot keep their excitement away. They have come inside the pitch to begin celebrating. That is not supposed to be key, but they are here. They are here. What a night.